How to change your Tumblr blog theme. First of all, open the Tumblr app and make sure you are logged into your account. From the dashboard, tap the profile icon at the bottom right corner to open your blog page. Next, tap the settings gear icon at the top right corner. Under account settings, scroll down and find a section labeled color palette or theme. This is where you can explore various design options for your blog's appearance. Here you can try out different themes with unique color palettes like Goth Rave, Bright, True Blue, and many others. Tap on a theme to preview how it will look on your blog. Once you find a theme that you really like and feel represents your style, simply tap on it to set it as your new blog theme. Your Tumblr blog theme will update immediately with a new look. If you want to change your theme again, just repeat these steps anytime. Now you know how to change your Tumblr blog theme. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.